It's May the 14th and I'm traveling to Goa to shoot for Kibz's Zababdari Kon. I was not getting any direct tickets to Goa from Dubai, so I had to book via Bangalore. Both my flights were delayed by an hour, so yeah, the frustration kicked in. So currently at the Terminal 1 Bangalore Airport. Bangalore. Gate number 38 is that way. It's like walking almost 2 kilometers, I think. At this point, I was very grumpy as I was exhausted and hardly had any sleep. So, quick update. This is technically the second and last time I'm flying with Indigo ever. Sitting here at the airport, bags in hand. This transfer thing is bullshit. To be real honest, Indigo, thank you for taking my money, and I don't want to see you again. Finally boarded the plane and I'm very happy to be heading for Goa. Kibz was already waiting to pick me up at the Goa airport. However, since the delay, he had to wait a little longer. This was a 1-hour flight from Bangalore to Zababdari Airport in Goa. And then I reached the Goa airport at 8:45 a.m. It's been a year since I was here the last time. So finally, we reached Zababdari Airport in Goa. We drove to our first location, the Destiny Bar and Restaurant in Konkani, picking up Joson and Eubern along the way. The mission was clear: make the best music video for the best song that we wrote. So Kibz is distributing t-shirts over here. Yeah,
That's what I have promoted. And I have received many messages.
After on Kolwa. Thanks to Mr. Kibz. He's got me here after what?
How many
30?
years, man? कितना time पाने लगे तुम?
30 years?
My God.
Yeah. This beach rekindled so many memories which I thought I had lost. The sand is still pristine white. You have a good area to camp or to picnic. Had seen a lot of families enjoying themselves. Then we started shooting and our fans did not disappoint. At this point, I'm sure we got some brilliant shots. We took a master shot at this location as well, just for good measures. After a successful day of
Yes.
shooting, we have done.
Fantastic, great job by our DOP and director.
And to all the fans who have been here.
The small fellow.
The small fellow.
This gang over here.
Yeah. So all of them, a very big thank you. The song will be released soon, and all we ask is to be the first ones to like, share, comment, and
Follow.
subscribe. Konkani no long na purnao.
Asliya. Zababdari Kon.
Zababdari Kon. Kon ra Zababdari. After a successful day of shoot, had to head back to North Goa, back to my family. I had a truly amazing time shooting this video. I owe a great deal of gratitude to Kibz. He is simply an amazing guy and you can learn a lot from him in just a few hours. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.